Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Expo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Shopify POS setup and walkthrough. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, setting up your POS is something very important, especially if you are, or in this case, you want to also integrate Shopify into your orders, or in this case, your transactions on your actual store. Now, in this case, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to shopify.com, log in into your account, and basically access your store here. Now, typically at the left part of your screen, you have your panel here, and you need to look for point of sale, which is in this case POS. Let's go and click on it. Now, we have a few options here like staff, location, devices, and settings. So each of these tabs or in this case, tabs have their own uses. Like for example, the staff allows you to manage your staff, locations allow you to manage which locations your store has, and the devices that you have are you've connected to your store here, and some settings that you could change here. So in this case, the first thing I want to do is want to set up POS first. So in this case, going to ask you, where do you want to sell in person? So in this case, at markets, fairs, or pop-ups, or in your own brick and mortar store. In this case, choose the appropriate one here for you. So in this case, go and choose that one, click on next. It's going to ask you, are you currently selling through another POS platform? Now in this case, if you are selling in another POS platform, choose the appropriate one here like Square, Clover, Lightspeed, Vend, Shopkeep, and others. In this case, it's going to say I'm not selling in person yet, so you could go and choose the appropriate option here. So in this case, go and choose this one, click on Get Started. Now, in this case, what we need to do next is we now need to go ahead and basically start using the options or for POS here. So in this case, the first thing you want to do is you want to follow the on-screen steps that you see here. So first is you need to set up point of sale here. So in this case, you want to add your products. So we've already added the products, and we now need to get the point of sale app. So typically, you could go ahead and click, or in this case, scan the QR code here to download the actual app. And from then on, you need to order your hardware. Now, depending on where you're currently located, you might need to get the appropriate hardware for that. So just give you an idea here, this is a Shopify Help Center article here, which includes all the, in this case, products or hardware that we could get for the specific country. Like for example, Wise Battery Terminals is available on the following countries. Shopify POS Go is available in the following countries. So in this case, they actually support Shopify payments here, so which is something really good. So in this case, you go and read through or further into this one. So you could just go ahead and search the following, which is supported POS hardware on Google to find the actual link for it. In this case, you could go ahead and click on store settings here, complete your Shopify payments section here. So make sure to use, or in this case, enable Shopify payments. And from here, you also need to get ready and sell in person. So just follow the on-screen script, like set up your sales stack, set up a card reader, and try a card payment here. So the great thing about Shopify here is they provide you detailed steps on how to do this exactly. So just follow the steps that you see on your screen. Now, if you want to add your staffs or manage your staff here, this is where you'll be able to do it. If you want to add a new one, just click on Add Roles, or you can even manage POS roles here as well. You also have location here, which in this case allows you to add your locations or edit your current locations for your app here. Now, in this case, you also have devices here, which in this case allows you to manage all the devices that you added into your account. Also have settings, and if you want to change a few things like subscription, languages, smart grid, and POS apps here. Receipt customization, required checkout information, and all of those details, so you can go and do that as well. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.